Today, we're gonna be making a supercar, like this one, but inside Animal Company. Let's go. Uh, yeah, let's get into it. Bro, we're not, like, we're gonna start with not, mm, I'm gonna just do this real quick. Okay, we're back. So now let's start. Oh yeah, this is part 2, by the way. Part 2. This is part 2, so let's place all down. Oh wait, I think I only need one. Alright. Okay. I think it goes like this, right? But this is sucky. Come on. Okay, works. I don't even know where it is. Where did it go? Oh, okay. You can move it over here so I can see it better. Time lapse? Okay. No time. Not this. We have beautiful. You can ski. You can ski. W. I want to make it more like. Is it even? Finally, something actually good. But I'm gonna put box fans at the end of it. Don't. I have germs. Shut up. I have germs. Anyways. Skibbity. We're gonna get 2. Guys, don't worry. I got a dream. I got a dream, bro. Okay. So if that's pushing me backwards, right? Okay, I think I know how to do it. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Nice. Right? Yeah. Bro! Give me the goop. Give me the goop. Give me... Give me goop. Okay. It's moving. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do it on the foot. Yeah, okay. Let's go. I might use this one for the thumbnail. Cause like last time I just took a rocket, and the last video it wasn't really good. So what? So yeah, we have to. What's that? It's gonna be one of the swap things. I put a picture on the thing. Okay, let's try it out. W, but it could use a little bit more. But what would you do? What would you do? What would you do? I have no idea. Anyways, okay, maybe let's put decorations on it for now. Let's like the car, so like something like a car, so let's grab a shield and like as like the walls. Okay. Also, you should join the Discord. I think I'm going to do a giveaway. No, I know you did. Let's set that down. Okay. Okay, here we are. Let's keep working. Okay, here we go. Okay. Weapons. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, here you go. Set that down. Okay, there. We finally got it. Time lapse for this like side. Da da doo doo da ba. Blah 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 blah. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Okay. Now let's get this over with. Let's go. Let's go. I think I'm gonna need 2 pieces of goop. 1, 2. Oh, I already have 2. Hello?
I'm your friend.
You. No, I'm doing a video. You can stay. Okay, next of all, we're gonna add, like, probably 1 more.
Wait, we should make a Santa sleigh.
I'm making a car.
A car?
Yeah.
I won't touch it, but like...
At the end, you can make one. You can make one with me.
I'm trying to make a Santa sleigh. Can you help me make a Santa sleigh for me?
You could. It's up to you. Okay, there.
Like, I didn't even made a drawing. Like,
Just making stuff for a video.
no, it's because most people who are joining is like, get the H out.
Bro, you scared me. I thought it was a ghost in here.
And my dad, you started playing the Daisy song.
Yeah. Daisy. Oh wait, I can't get copyrighted. Shut up! I'm gonna get copyrighted. Shh.
Why?
I'm recording, bruh. Copyright. Daisy, give me your fart too. It's different. Okay. Time lapse.
Yo, can I get more goop? I'm trying to make the longest stick ever.
Yeah, I got you.
Where's the goop?
Here, I get you a backpack.
I'm the biggest and largest. Whoa! Whoa, that sounded weird.
I don't know how much is in here. I don't know how much is in there, but... Bro! Cool down. I'm on cooldown. Okay. Time lapse. Or like, I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna come back after it starts working. So, watch this epic time lapse. Yeah, it starts working now. Okay, let's go. I already had stuff on top. I'm a goofy. Oh my gosh. No! Bro, you flipped the skippy to a higher res machine. Okay. Okay.
I need more goop.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro, but like, I'm trying to I can't do anything right now.
What is this so big?
Oh, wait, you need more goop? Here, I'll try. Just give me a little bit. Take that 1 piece. Give me
1 piece.
Yeah, that's anime. 1 piece. What's your favorite anime? 1 piece. Just kidding.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Okay, now we just have to add stuff on
One Piece is so
top.
long though. One Piece has been going for like a whole entire year.
I know I'm not on cooldown. Okay, good. Ugh. No, I'm going to the fan. Ah. Okay.
And I broke it. How wonderful.
Okay, here we go. Let's put this right here. Now let's go up here. No. Okay. No. Wait, why am I going through it?
And I broke this one too. How good.
Okay, here we go. Can I put this right here? Bro, why is this going through a wall? Oh, okay. Okay. This is going to be the most sloppiest video that I have ever made. Okay, here we go. Eh. Finally. Bro, what? Is it on? Or is it just... Dick, finally. Okay. Did he disappear? Are you still in here? Yeah, I think he left. He over here. Oh, no, okay, you're still in here. Okay. Okay, the thing is doing pretty well. Okay, let's get this time lapse again. Maybe. Okay. Ugh. Bum, 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 bum. Bro. Time lapse. It's because shield is not. Jesus. No. No, I don't want to be stuck in your freaky car. It's on my head. It's on my head.
Get on my head.
Get on my head.
Get on my head.
Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Anyways. Oh my god. Okay. Come on. No, my hand. Jump over. Bro, jump over. You know what? I don't really care. No. Stop. Stop. Okay. There. Perfect. What the heck? I haven't get on it now. Okay, here we go. You know what? I'm not gonna add a roof. Whoa. Okay, let's add a few more things. Drop. Okay. I actually gonna save this because I like this one. Let's go. Let's add a light. And a map so you don't get lost. I need 2 goop if I'm gonna do that. 1 goop and let's go. There we go, and now all we have to do is add probably like a seat. I don't know. Gotta add seats. Okay. Now here we go. Okay, here's our seats. Okay, here we go. Alright, now we are ready. Now let's go test it. It works! It's actually pretty fast. Oh shit. The only way for us to test this is we have to. I'm gonna save this first. Let me just skip until I like get down there to the hill. I'm not down there. Oh, aircraft's crash bags. This wasn't my first one, but like, it's cool. Now we have to do better. Okay, now, I'm telling you this one doesn't last. Yep, it's flies too. How did I get it? Wait, Would it glitch my game out if I try to grab it? Oh, which one did I just grab? Oh my god. It'll be alright, I saved it. Come on. No. Okay, we're in here. So let's go down the hill. Whoa. Yo! 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 We are going too fast. Wait, I'm gonna do a transmission. Here we go. Guys, we're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Oh no! Oh! Ah! Yeah, no, that turns no good. Man, get out! Anyways, subscribe. Go banana. And be a bro. Enjoy the banana. Hit that like button and subscribe. Go on my Discord. Also subscribe to my brother's channel. So yeah. Bye. Wait, what? Let's do that one more time.